How do we solve for domain and range? In this problem, it says to write the domain and range of a graph. So domain is a set of x coordinates, so it's based off the x-axis. And we need to figure out two different aspects, the minimum x-coordinate and the maximum x-coordinate. So here we can see that the minimum is this -2 right here, and the maximum is this 7 right here. So we can write down that for domain, the min is -2 and the max is 7. So now we can write down the domain using set notation, which looks like this. X such that x is -2, which is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 7. And for range, range is the set of y coordinates that make up the graph, so it's based off the y-axis. And so again, we need to find the minimum and maximum y coordinates now. So the minimum is this 2 right here, and the maximum is the 11 right here. So we can write down that for range, the min is 2 and the max is 11. So now we can write down the range using set notation, which looks like this. Do that in blue. Y such that y is 2, which is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 11. And so since these lines are continuous, for domain, the line would go all the way from -2 to 7, including all the points in between. And for range, the y would go from 2 all the way to 11, including all the points in between. So that is how you write domain and range using set notation.